Hey viewers, in this video, I will give you a review on PCEX, that is a marketed cryptocurrency copy trading platform. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. PCEX is marketed as a cryptocurrency copy trading platform promising users daily returns of around 2.2% and the potential to double their investment in 27 days. While some users report initial profits and successful withdrawals, there is serious concern about the platform's legitimacy and sustainability. The promise of consistent daily profits with minimal risk is a common red flag of Ponzi schemes. Many users have reported withdrawal issues, with some unable to access their funds at all. Additionally, PCEX is not registered with any recognized financial regulatory authorities. The platform relies on referral incentives and employs high-pressure sales tactics. Multiple independent reviews and user testimonials have labeled PCEX as a potential scam, urging caution for prospective investors. Given these red flags, it is best to approach PCEX with skepticism and avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's it.